day. Go ahead and show you guys real quick more in the sunlight with the clear corners, since I gotta fix my car cover anyway because it's falling off. Let's go ahead and pop these guys back up. I personally think they're pretty cool. They match everything, even the clear corners in the headlight. I'll try to get some video of Chris's car in the morning or some photos of his lip. It's kind of dark last night. But yeah, so the front ones, I think they turned amber. The rear ones are red, as you see in the video. But yep, that's that. So clean. I got my Aspec badge. I'm gonna be throwing it on. Probably gonna put it right there where that mark used to be for the Type S badge and the TL symbol used to be. That's where I put the Aspec thing. Wheels should be on in a video or two finally. Getting the tires, already ordered them. So ordered tires, put them on, slap on the, get an alignment after, and this one should be good to go. I'm selling these ones to one of the members in the crew. So I'll probably just use that money to buy the tires for the Aspec wheels that I have. That way I can have some rollers, because I'm not gonna have these no more. These were cool while they lasted, the Type S wheels, but I'm going with the Aspecs this time around. Can't wait. Alright, that should be about it right there. And here, it is used, not new. Ran me about 50 bucks. I think it's still worth it. Good to see it. Alright. Here it is, the Aspec badge. They're really hard to find. Just because, I don't know. I don't know why. I guess there's not too much Aspecs. It's from factory, really. So, go ahead and grab some double-sided tape. Stick it on this real quick and then mount it on the car. Double-sided tape is now all good to go. We just gotta get some spray and clean off the area. Oof. So the Aspec badge is a little bit skinnier than the typical, like, the TL and Type S badge. Very nice. This one looks basically brand new. Do a mock-up on her car real quick. So normally, she don't have the TL either, but normally I believe it goes like right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it up here, just to cover up those markings from the old badges. I'll show you right now what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm thinking about putting it right here. Kinda gives it away. I might try to polish this out real quick. That way I could get rid of most of that. Because it is, like I said, it is a little bit skinnier, so you can see a little bit of it. There we go. Nice and on. Gonna polish out the TL part. Oof, look at that. It's a nice little touch. That little crown goes with all the other little tiny pieces I have. So nice. This one ran me about 50 bucks used, shipped. Not too crazy, but overall I'm happy with it. Looked out that whole spot, so that thing is shiny. You can see just barely like the end of that TL part right there, but overall I like it. Car's filthy, I know. But yep, it's getting there. Video should be on very soon. If it's not this video, it'll be the next one for sure. Just getting a few more things dialed in. But yeah, Aspec badges off the checklist. Alright, well, now you know I clear coated this. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it in the car for now. Still have about my amp for my speaker. I don't know when I'm gonna get that, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get this one put in for the meantime. That way I don't mess it up out here. So shiny. And I also bought this trim. I'm gonna put around it, see if I like it or not. Clean up all this mess in here. Alright, here it is right here. Go ahead and put that little black trim. See how I like it. Kind of clean up some of the edges, if anything. Alright, I actually do kind of like the trim. So it's this little black trim, like really foamy. It has like plastic, or not plastic, like sticky stuff in the back of it already. So it looks pretty good. Here it is, my trunk setup. Got this enclosure that kind of fits in here. I'm still waiting on the amp, so it's not hooked up yet. That's why all these cables and all that is still dangling around because I have no use for them right now. This is my trunk setup. Clear coat actually made it look really nice. Ooh, and the trim looks so good. If anything, I'll just like try to cut it right here. That way when I take it off, or I could probably just cut it right now actually. So when I do ready to take it off, it comes off with the trim. Got the tires. Get on the trunk setup. Fucking car cover fell off. Just pull it off. Buddy gave me this amp. Go ahead. Buddy gave me the amp. So I'm gonna try it out. A little small one. I don't know how good it is. We'll find out. Gonna move some of this out of the way. And we're gonna start actually getting everything wired up. Got the homie van right here. Doing some soldering work. Extending the power wire. Because it didn't reach. I'm tucking it over here. Oof. Truck update. So everything's out for now. There's a lot of mess. Gotta vacuum all this stuff out. Speakers in. Got that amp I showed you wired up. I was gonna show you guys a little bit more how I did it, but it was kind of a pain in the ass. But speaker is about all the way in. I can do it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. I just gotta tuck those little wires a little bit better. I think I'm pretty sure I could tuck out those carpet. But yeah. Alright, I got a buddy right now. He's gonna swap me this piece to the Type S chrome piece. This part right here. Kind of will match this a little bit better. You see the little carbon fiber inlay I have on there. Anyways, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and remove this. The way we gotta do it is we gotta take these guys off, take this off right here. Probably take a few of these screws off, hang it down, and there's 4 bolts. I'll just show you guys. It's on YouTube, but I'll show you guys too. Why not? All right, got this down. So there's 4 bolts. You can already see one in there, one there, and the same thing on this side. And it should come right out. I'll show you guys real quick behind how I did everything. You can see all the wires kind of zip tied together. Got the capacitor mounted up here, and everything like this. It barely clears, but it clears, which is good. All the wires. It's not the best professional thing, but it does work. I just gotta adjust the amp because I don't have a connector, that little connector right there. I don't have that, So I'm gonna go ahead and make it so when I adjust it from the speaker up there, like from the factory unit, I could adjust it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So right now the bass is pretty low. Go ahead and go. Let's see if it adjusts. The bass did go up a little bit, but it's not hitting as good. I usually just go back and forth, adjust a few things, so I'll let you know when I'm done. Alright, as I look at it, I don't look it's gonna let me adjust it from the thing without a bass knob, so that sucks. Alright, well we'll put this back. I'll get my trunk set up back in here and get it all cleaned up now. Alright, everything's in. So wires are tucked. The wood floor with that clear coat is all in. It's all dusty. It looks very clean now. Black trim. Overall looks good. Alright, I'm happy with it. Go ahead and put the cover back in and clean up all this. Should be the end of the trunk setup for now until I figure out a few more things, but overall that's about it. Now we got some 19s?
Some 20.
20s. Yeah, okay.
20 by 9.
Dude, you haven't even posted up yet, huh?
Mm-mm.
You like them? They're very good?
Yeah.
Ooh, and new lugs, right?
Yeah.
You look new.
Yes.
Damn, 4th gen Chris over here. I'm gonna get my CCWs on. Got a new set of lugs. I have those already, but just bought a new set. First ones are on. Damn. I already got the old one sold already.
Yes, sir. Oh, this might be off
Ooh, it's a little dirty. Polish these ones out real quick. Here's the befores. Before. After. Quick polish. Coming off. No more waffles.
Damn tires, or I just buy the TLS rim. She's like, just go buy the rims, and I'm like, all right, cool. Oh fuck.
What happened?
I forgot. Solution.
Oh. Ooh.
He wants to trade for T37. Let him know.
Nah, I like these ones. I wouldn't do it.
Honestly, I think. No, you should get some fucking. What's the wheels called?
Got the clear corners, the clear side markers.
Yeah, it looks clean, dude. And didn't you just recently change them?
Nobody has these.
I can tell because you're the only ones.
Nobody has them yet.
God damn, this is so.
Next morning, sorry I've been jumping around, but wheels are on. Gonna go take it to the alignment shop. Good. It's barely, as you can see, straight at it, barely above it. A little bit more above it. My camera plates up here keeps moving forward, so I gotta tell him. Hopefully, just weld it all the way back. Get the max camber out of it. All right, here it is. Toes all fixed. Finally, looks all straight. So yeah, let's go back to it. The front one I'm running about -5.5 camber. The rear I'm running around -7 in the left, -7.5 in the right side in the rear. Toe was completely off on both of them. I never got alignment on this car really. This was like how it is. Shout out to Blackstone Tire, they're hella good. Quick walk around. You can finally see with the Brembos. So nice. Oof. Tint.
Gone? I
Oof.
mean, I hear I didn't clean it good, but...
This away, you go that away, and you go that away, and there. So I try to do it before the meet, so I don't
Hold on.
Say something.
Alright, man, you already know what it is. UA Squad at SAA coming to you live from Dimitri's house. Gotta get our cars ready for the meet today. About
Is
to
this,
show up, take over.
this
UA
junk?
Squad take over.
Is this Junk Dawson or Royal Dawson?
Oh no, this is Silver Dawson right now. Just Dawson in a good mood. That's all it is.
Chris again. You haven't seen him for a little bit. We got Asante. He picked up this one.
That's one later.
Repeats in case he wants to delete that.
Record Dawson if he does something stupid.
Alright, I have it on camera. He's doing something stupid already.
Chug that shit, nigga.
Private Four Loco,
Oh, he's trying to catch up.
Sergeant at Arms,
He's trying to catch up.
Mr. Day Drinker.
He's caught up.
Some more TL Chris content. He's just gonna change his lugs out real quick before the meet. Chris series. Part 17 million. New lugs, let's see the new lugs.
From the one and only Tor. I think I said his name wrong.
Tory.
Tory.
Yeah, the clean ones. They're nice. Simple, clean. I like that. Alright. And he just got the stock ones on. Alright, well, I'm in the video right here. Like, comment, and subscribe for more TL content. There'll be a lot of other stuff here and there, like the front lip over here. I'm gonna be working on a couple videos for the black one, so no more base Aspec. We're gonna go with the Type S Aspec. So this little stuff, this one is for our buddy. Gotta get that one ready. But anyways, yep.